How to see which iPhone apps are taking up the most storage. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on the General option. The General menu contains options for managing your iPhone's overall setup and device storage. Inside General, tap on iPhone Storage to view a detailed breakdown of your device's usage. This screen shows how much space is used by applications, photos, system data, and more. Scroll down the list to see how much storage each app is consuming. This helps you identify which apps are using the most space on your device. Tap on an app for more details. You can also tap on any app to view more details, like the app size and its documents and data. You can offload app, which frees up space but keeps data, or delete app, which removes everything. Following these steps, you can easily see which apps are taking up the most storage.